Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FreeTaxUSA, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.freetaxusa.com. Press the enter key to load the website. Once the home page is loaded, look for the login button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two main fields for your credentials. First, enter your registered email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated box. If you want your browser to remember your login details, you can check the Remember Me option. Once you have filled in your email and password, click on the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your account dashboard. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once logged in, you can access all features and your tax documents. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. Now, you are successfully logged into FreeTaxUSA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.